Hi, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. In my previous video, we looked into see how we could cook rice by cooking with excess water and draining the excess water out. In this method, we're going to cook the rice where you have a certain proportion of water added to the rice to cook the rice. So this may depend on the quantity of the rice, the type of the rice that you're using, and the age of the rice. If the rice is old, you would get a better output. Now I'm using pondi rice, so for this particular rice, when we use 1 glass of rice, we use 2.5 glass of water to cook. So let's look into see the method of preparing this rice. I'm using a medium vessel with a lid that could close tight. I have taken a steel tumbler full of rice. So I'm going to use 2 full steel tumblers of rice to cook for 4 people, which could serve for lunch as well as dinner. So it's going to be 4 people can eat for lunch as well as dinner. So I'm going to use 2 full glasses. Now if in case you want to cook for 2 people, then you can use 1 glass of rice, and if in case you want to cook for 2 people for only one time, that is lunch or dinner, then you can use half a glass of rice. So we're going to actually wash this rice cleanly. I'm going to add some water. You need to wash the rice at least 2 to 3 times. We have washed the rice and kept it aside. In this method, the proportion of rice and water is more important. The proportion will differ based on the quantity of the rice, the type of the rice, and the age of the rice. The thumb rule is older the rice, better the output. I am using ponni rice and the ratio will be 1:2.5. That is, for 1 glass of rice, you use 2.5 glass of water. Now this ratio will differ again on the type of rice that you are using. I have taken 2 tumblers of rice, so I'm going to use the same tumbler and add 5 tumblers of water. So 2 tumblers of rice and 5 tumblers of water. Let's place it on a stove and let's start cooking the rice on high flame. We have cooked the rice on high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we could see that the rice has come above the water level and the water level has started to reduce. Now at this point of time, we will take a lid and we will close the container with a lid, lower the flame, reduce it to slim. Now we will keep something heavy on top of the lid so that the steam doesn't come out and allows the rice to cook within the container. After 5 minutes, we will take out the heavier object from the top. Open the lid and the rice is cooked. You could see the rice is cooked flaky and it's hot.